Today I'm going to introduce a few different types of Rework electrical box and how to install them in the existing drywall. The first type Rework box looks like this. So you cut a hole on the drywall, you insert it, and then you tighten these two screws. This plate will go back against the back of the drywall and hold the box on the drywall. The second Rework box is similar like the first one. They have the strap here. You insert a hole and then you tighten the screw. This strap will moving back here against the back of the drywall and hold the box. The third one is similar. This box, after you insert, you tighten this screw. This swing will open here, and then they will move to here, back against the back of the drywall, hold the box on the drywall. The last one a little bit different. This is the only box, but you need two straps. These two straps, they call medicine strap or F straps. You insert into the hole and then use this two strap to hold the box. I will show you when I install it. Use the level to draw the vertical line and then use the box to draw the outline of the box. After that, use the oscillating multi-tools to cut and use the drywall saw to cut the corner. So I cut a hole, I can insert this in. But you might ask, how can I get this two strap into this hole? I can cut the hole bigger. So the trick is here. This one have two screws here. You lose this two screw. You can take the screw out. After that, you can swing this, go in. So let me take that screw out. You can see what happened. And then this two can swing in. So totally in. You can easily insert this to the hole. After you push this back, sit here, and then you screw in this. So that's how you install this. After that, you tighten this screw. And then you can tighten this. That's how you install this kind of Rework box. Install this type of the Rework electrical box is pretty much same as the first one, but this box they have a few like a screw on the edge here and here. So you need make that hole a little bit bigger on the screw side here. And then insert it, the box into the hole. When you insert it, you use the channel lock to squeeze this. It's much easier for you to install. So after you install it, you tighten the strap. After I tighten up, the box will hold on the drywall. You can see from the back. So this strap hold on the back of the drywall. Next, I install this plastic Rework box. So I cut I use the previous holes here. I put it in, I mark here, and on the top. You can see this is two swing here, a little bit longer than that, so I need to cut a little bit more. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this you insert this, and then you tighten this. So this is a hole on the drywall. You can see from the back. So this is two swing against this. The last one will show you how to install the Rework box with the straps. Let me cut a hole first. This kind of a box, you need to cut hole very tight. You can see this electrical box have a screw here. So after you cut a hole, you need manage to insert and mark this screw on the drywall and cut a little bit more. So I can know where the mark is, and then I will cut it. Oops. You can see these straps have a short one and the longer one. The longer one, you better put on the top here. And all the longer one, put on the top. After that, you try to push this in. Be careful, don't let the strap fall in. So another way you can do, when you press this, you can get at the strap. Let me see here. You can bend this strap, so in case they will drop. Let me bend this side, and then you can press in here. After you press in, you press this strap out, and then you can move up or down a little bit, and then bend it to the inside. This is an inside drywall view from the back. So this one will hold the box on the drywall. It's very tight. And I prefer use this kind of a Rework box because it's cheaper. If you want to know how to add a new receptacle on the existing drywall, please look this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit notification bell. Thank you. See you next time.